Hey guys, welcome back to Jungle Vets. Today, we're gonna try something cool, planting zucchini seedlings in our tropical indoor setup to see if they can handle the jungle life. These little zucchinis were growing in pots filled with soil. Usually zucchinis need a bunch of light and water to grow nice and big. But what if we switch it up and plant them in a rainforest terrarium? I'm gonna carefully take the soil off their roots and move them into a bed of damp sphagnum moss to keep those roots nice and moist. I'll wrap the bottom with felt and put them where they can get a daily sprinkle from the waterfall. This setup is like a mini jungle floor, where plants get used to the damp and shady vibes. It's all an experiment since zucchinis aren't really jungle plants. So let's see how they do. Make sure to subscribe for more fun experiments and live updates from our indoor rainforest. Catch you in the next video.